Does your light switch spark, feel loose, or just look outdated? Today, I'll show you how to safely replace it in just a few minutes.
Step 1. Always turn off the power at the breaker before touching any wires.
Next, remove the switch plate and carefully pull the old switch out.
Before disconnecting anything, take a quick photo of the wiring. This will save you later if you forget which wire goes where.
Now connect the wires to the new switch. Hot to red, neutral to black, and ground to green.
Gently push the wires back, secure the switch into the wall box, and screw on the plate.
Finally, turn the power back on at the breaker and test your switch.
If your switch feels warm after replacement, it might be overloaded. Call a professional. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more simple DIY electrical guides.